Hello everyone. In this session, I would like to practice the normality and linearity test as the requirements to perform the statistical analysis such as correlation, regression, and maybe other types of analysis. Previously, I have inputted the data from the questionnaires about the communication apprehension, and this is the data. I also have the total value for the answers on the questionnaire. And before I perform the normality and linearity test, I would like to add one more variable, which is speaking score. Okay. And I have the data in the Excel. I can copy and paste it. Paste here. Okay. And now we are going to perform the normality and linearity test. First of all, for the normality test, analyze, non-parametric test, legacy dialogues, and we use one sample KS, and we can choose the total value and the speaking score. You can also click the descriptive statistics and click OK. We will take a look at the significance, and we take a look at the significance, and the significance score should be higher than 0.05 to show that the data are distributed normally. And because here the significance for total value is 0.6, which is higher than 0.05, it means that the data is distributed normally. And then for speaking score, it is 0.567, which means it is higher than 0.05. This shows that the data are distributed normally. And now we are going to do linearity test to see whether these two variables have linear relationship. We can go to analyze and then compare means, and we choose means. For the dependent list is the variables that is influenced by the independent variables. It should be speaking score, while for the independent list is the variable that might influence the dependent variable. That is the total value of the communication apprehension. Options, test for linearity, click OK. For the linearity, take a look in the ANOVA table, and we have the deviation from linearity, and we take a look at the significance of the deviation from linearity, in which the significance should be higher than 0.05 to say that the data or the variables have a significant linear relationship. And because the result from the statistical analysis is 0.8, 0.85, which is significantly higher than 0.05, this indicates that the variables, the communication apprehension and the speaking performance or the speaking score have significant linear relationship. Okay, so that's all for the normality and linearity test. The tests show that the data are distributed normally and both variables have a significant linear relationship, so that later we can do the correlational analysis using the SPSS. So I hope it helps. See you on the next session.